My name is Cristiano. I am 15. In the past, some of the people I met wanted to cause me harm or make money from me. I was told a lot of lies and made to feel very scared. Now, as I went through all this, I can give you some advice. My first one is, don't be afraid to speak out, even if you feel scared or unsafe. You need to know that all children under the age of 18, like you, have specific rights, no matter which country you come from. So, you will need people to explain your rights to you and guide you. Because trust me, you will meet a lot of people and it's not always easy to know who to trust or to understand everything. The people you should go to are professionals. Professionals work for charities or child protection services. They are also the police, judges, social workers, doctors, or lawyers. To be honest, at first, I didn't really trust them, but that was a mistake. These are the adults you should trust and to whom you can tell your story so you can get help. Even if you have told a different story before, you can change it and explain what really happened to you. Professionals won't be angry. On the contrary, they will be able to help you better. If you don't have a parent in the country you're in, you may be entitled to a guardian or legal representative who can act a little like a parent would. They will make decisions with you and for you. Other professionals may question your age or your story. They may ask for your documents to check your identity. If you have these documents with you, always keep them safe because they are important. Do not lose them and don't give them to anyone who is not your social worker or a trusted professional. Oh, and professionals may also do medical examinations to verify your age. In any case, just like in any situation when you don't understand something, ask someone to explain to you in detail what is happening. If you have questions about your rights, you have the right to a lawyer, and this is free. Your lawyer will be the one to advise you on the decisions to take and will be there to defend you. Actually, don't forget that all the assistance you can get as a child, accommodation, food, school, doctor, is free. Don't listen to people who tell you the contrary. You know, another very important thing that I learned is to be careful, because apart from professionals, not all new people can be trusted. Some people may be nice at first, but then they can give you bad advice or information that is incorrect. These people may try to make you do things you don't want to or that are bad for you. You need to know that if you have been forced to do bad things, you have a right to not be punished because it is not your fault. It is important that you speak to a professional about this. Even if you have the right to an interpreter, I advise that you learn the language of your host country as fast as possible. This will make it easier for people to understand you and for you to ask questions to the right people directly. Sometimes the procedures, such as getting into school, claiming asylum, or police investigations, can take a really long time, so you will need to be very patient. But even when faced with such difficulties, do not lose hope. Do not give up. Keep going until you are heard. I forgot something. Professionals don't know everything, and sometimes they can also make mistakes. So don't hesitate to check what you understood if you do not agree with something or if you get a refusal. Stay positive, even if you have to tell your story over and over or you don't feel people understand you. And remember, you are not the only person who has gone through something like this. This has happened to many young people who are now safe, like me. I hope I have told you the most important information. Sometimes you will need to keep trying hard for your rights to be respected by everyone. It may be long and complicated, but there are wonderful people who will help and be with you during this time. So find them fast. If you want contact details, you can consult this leaflet in your own language. You will find it on the internet or with professionals. Thanks to all children, volunteers, and professionals who made the creation of this video possible.